To go, start. Seema Heather writes to President for Indian Citizenship, invokes celebrities, legendary love stories, government slogans, seeking long term, namely for Seema, the petition said her marriage should be considered valid under the Special Marriage Act. Bollywood personalities, legendary love stories, and government slogans, all this and more were invoked as Pakistan resident Seema Heather on Friday filed a petition before President Draupadi Murmu seeking Indian citizenship following her marriage with Greater Noida based Sachin Meena. The petition, filed through Supreme Court advocate A.P. Singh, who had appeared for convicts in December 16 gang rape case, stated that she should be allowed to raise and reside at the house of her husband, as motive of the Indian culture is live and let live, and the world is one family. The petition filed on behalf of Seema stated that she had converted to Hinduism of her own free will before getting married to Sachin in Nepal. Petitioner did not get visa to come to India. Then petitioner took Nepal visa and came to Nepal and changed the religion from Islam to Hinduism on 13/3/2003. The petition got married to Sachin Meena as per Hindu rites and rituals at Holy Temple Bhagwan Pashupatinath Mandir, Coimbatore and Kathmandu, according to the petition. Seeking long-term visa for Seema, the petition said her marriage should be considered valid under the Special Marriage Act. There has been public, political and media pressure to falsely implicate the petitioner. Our law department clearly says access to justice for all in all its manifestation is essential if the culture of democracy is to flourish. Unbiased investigations are essential to delivering justice to all, said the petitioner. The lawyer also quoted a few Bollywood celebrities to support his arguments. Famous singer Adnan Shami has got citizenship of India due to his long stay in the country. A famous actress, Alia Bhatt, revealed that she cannot cast vote in India as India does not give dual citizenship as other countries of the world. Akshay Kumar, the famous superstar, has Canadian citizenship, but he has been living in India for so long, the petitioner said. Citizenship of India can also be obtained through naturalization, the petition further argued. It said petitioner came in to India with immense love and affection of beloved husband Sachin Meena, like famous love is blind. That's why the petitioner's love will always be remembered like that of Leela and Majnu, Heer and Ranja, and other stories also. It further said petitioner will finally be able to live a life with dignity in India in keeping with the slogans of Indian government like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and also with Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas और सबके